Have a blessed and fruitful day to everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Prince Sophia Vlogs. We're here again to my kitchen, and the recipe that I will teach today is how to make chapati bread. Chapati bread is a flatbread originating from India and staple in Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, East Africa, and the Caribbean. This is requested and made by my Pakistani friend named Muhammad Tayyab. But before that, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos. This is our ingredients: chapati flour or atta, salt and cooking oil. Let's start. In a mixing bowl, put 3 cups of chapati flour known as atta flour. Then we need to add some water until we get the right mixture. Make sure that your hand is clean before you knead the moistened flour or clay. Knead means make bread by kneading flour, or put some power to massage or squeeze with the hands. As you can see, we need power to knead until the mixture is formed. Add some salt to taste and knead again until the dough is formed. Chapati bread, also known as roti, safati, shabaati, phulka, and roshi. You can add some olive oil if you want, but this olive oil is only optional ingredients. And when our dough is formed, we will just divide it and make circle using our hand. After that, we take a rolling pin and we flatten the dough we made. But before we put our dough, we will put some flour in our rolling pin so that our dough does not stick to the rolling pin. Let's just turn it upside down so that our dough is evenly flat. And when our dough is very thin, we will begin to cook it. First, we need to heat a skillet over medium heat until hot. When the pan is hot, we put our chapati on it. Cook until underside has brown spots, about 30 seconds. Let's add some oil so it doesn't stick to the pan. Let's spread the oil all over the chapati. We press the rest of the chapati a bit so that it cooks quickly. Let's just check, and when it's cooked, we'll turn it over. So again, we press the other side of the chapati a bit so that it cooks quickly. Here is the finished product of our chapati bread. And if you also want to make chapati bread, please visit the description below, and I will put there the exact ingredients on how to make chapati bread. I would like to thank Muhammad Tayyab for requesting and making this chapati bread. Mega love shout out to my team Tambayan family for always supporting and watching my videos. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching.